In this video, we'll solve a classic AP Calculus AB limit. We'll go very slowly, read every symbol, and color code each piece so nothing is confusing. Here is the exact limit. First, we will read the limit symbol. Then we will read x approaches negative infinity. Then we will read the fraction, including the numerator and denominator. Now, let's read the fraction slowly. The numerator is the square root of 9x squared plus 4. The denominator is 5x minus 2. As x goes to negative infinity, the biggest terms dominate. So, in the numerator, 9x squared dominates the plus 4. In the denominator, 5x dominates the minus 2. That means the expression behaves like square root of 9x squared over 5x. Here is the most important trap. Square root of x squared is not x. It is the absolute value of x. So square root of 9x squared is 3 times absolute value of x. Since x is going to negative infinity, x is negative, so absolute value of x is negative x. Now substitute that into the dominant fraction. We get negative 3x over 5x. The x cancels, leaving negative 3/5. Now you try. Here are 2 practice problems. Pause the video and solve them. Then check your answers. The first one is negative 2.5, and the second one is negative 1.